All right, we're back. We're gonna try go for a little hike here. Some Thanksgiving. See if we can get some nice fall colors from the woods. Although as I'm walking into here, it's a bit green still. Might have to come back next weekend. Do it all again. Also still testing to see how the audio is, see how the video is, see how shaky it is. You know, a little bit of everything for this one. So, might not be the longest video we do, but keep doing it. Coming out to the first lookout here. Let's see what we can see without it slipping and falling off. Without falling over the cliff. Which is steep like that. Let's try to get back. Trees. Okay. All right, we've made it to the lookout. We're at Skinners Bluff Lookout. There's a huge crack that you have to get over before you get there. But when you get there, these are the views that you get. A bit windy, so again we'll see what this new GoPro Hero 7 Black can do, but I mean, come on, look at this. And some nice colors there. That's some poor English, but that was some nice colors. So, I mean, you can't argue that. But again, just on a Joby, no stabilization except for whatever the camera's doing. No, nothing protecting the audio. So whatever the audio is, it is what it is. But man, some great views. All right, well, let's see what we can do with this. All right. Okay, well, got it there. Hopefully, it choked to death. Hopefully, got some shots that are at least somewhat usable. It's, again, kind of this rainy, gray fall kind of day, so you don't quite get the contrast with some nice sunlight on the colors, but I'm hoping that we get something out of it. Did a couple other things with this GoPro, see how it works out, so we'll get back, edit all this stuff. I'm sorry I'm looking down, it's slightly slippery on the rocks. So, as much as it would be hilarious to see me slip and fall and catch that on camera, I don't want that to happen. So, again, nice little quick hike right there. Saw a couple people on the trail, nice to say hello to people. Like I said, it's Thanksgiving weekend up here, so one of the more busier weekends for people all want to get out and hike and stuff like that. Burn off that turkey. So we're heading back now. Again, I don't know, it's quite dark and stuff. I think another round of rain's coming in, so I want to get back to the car before that happens. Anywho, all right, well, it's pretty much it for this one. It's just a quick one, but again, we're just testing it, new gear, trying to get some fall color shots. I think next weekend, because it's still pretty green in here, next weekend might be a bit, get some more of the oranges and stuff. So we'll see about coming up then. All right, to the next video. Peace.